Now I've got a piece of sycamore here. It's approximately 8 inches by just under 2 inches. I've got lots of hardboard discs of different sizes. Now these help me find the centre, so I'll just pick the most appropriate size, put it on, move it around until I've got it fitted perfectly or as close as possible. After that, I'll just use a brad awl just to mark the centre. And that's the centre of a ball blank now marked, which is there. I've just got to use a 3mm drill bit just to drill a small hole. Don't need to be deep. I've got my faceplate here, ring, which is good to fit onto my chuck. I've also turned prior a piece of wood. Now this diameter is the same size as the recess in the faceplate, and you can see I've just got a little nail in the bottom, and that needs to be concentric with the outside. So if we place that in the 3mm hole we've just drilled, we can then drop the faceplate on, and that centres it, and then it's just a matter of putting the 4 screws. So we can just put 1 screw in. Don't go all the way down with it tight, because I'll put the opposite one in next. And lead the final 2. So got the 4th screw going in there. So again, can lock that down, lock it down there, lock that one down, 4th one, and then I can pull that out, and that's now ready to go onto the chuck.